In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Jotform via email. This is a quick and easy process, perfect for those moments when you need to get that form out to someone as quickly as possible. Whether you're sharing your form with a colleague for collaboration or sending it to a client for feedback, I'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. This will take you to their main website, where all the magic happens. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process that requires just a few pieces of information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the form you want to send. You'll do this by opening it in the form builder. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, it's essentially where you can design and customize your forms to fit your specific needs. Make sure everything looks good, since this is what your recipients will see. Next, look for the Publish tab. You'll find this at the top of the form builder. Click on it, and it will open up a new set of options. This is where you'll get to choose how you want to share your form with others. From the menu on the left-hand side, select Email. This option is perfect for when you need to send the form directly to someone without having to switch platforms or applications. The convenience of this feature cannot be overstated, especially for busy professionals. Now, choose Share on Email. This will bring up a window allowing you to tailor the email you'll be sending. Personalization is key here, so take a moment to customize the email subject and body. Adding a personal touch or some instructions can really help the recipient understand the purpose of your form. The last step is to enter the recipient's email address. Double-check to ensure there are no typos because you wouldn't want your carefully crafted form to end up in the wrong inbox. Once you're confident that everything is in order, you can go ahead and click Send. And there you have it. You've successfully sent your Jotform via email. This process is not only easy, but also incredibly efficient, making it a great tool for those who need to send forms quickly and without hassle. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.